$100,000 in just 3 months with a 93% win rate. Sounds almost impossible, right? But let me show you how one of my students, Daniel, achieved this incredible milestone. Yeah, stay with me and I'll show you exactly how it works and how you can aim for results like this. Before we get into the details, let me show you what's possible with the right strategy and mindset. In the past few months alone, hundreds of my students have successfully qualified for funded accounts. This isn't about hype, yeah? These are real results from traders who've learned and applied what we teach. Our methods deliver measurable success, and today I show you how they work. Let's address the big question. How is this even possible? Achieving a 93% win rate isn't magic, yeah? It's about combining a solid strategy, disciplined execution, and understanding the dynamics of the market. When it comes to trading, there are two main ways to profitability. The first is a high risk to reward ratio, where fewer wins compensate for larger losses. And the second is a high win rate, where frequent small wins create consistent profits. In scalping, we often focus on the second way, a high win rate, but here's the trade-off. The risk to reward ratio is often negative, okay? For example, you might risk 70 ticks on a trade to capture a profit of 20 to 30 ticks. This approach works because it relies on precision and consistency rather than large payoffs from individual trades. With the right tools and preparation, this becomes not only possible but also highly effective. Now let's break it down step by step. Every successful trade starts with proper preparation. Here's how we set up for high precision scalping. First, review the economic calendar. Before any trade, we identify key news events that could impact the market. Yeah, this helps us to avoid unnecessary risks. Second, mark key levels. Yeah, using the candlestick chart, we identify key support and resistance zones or high volume areas. These levels are where we focus our attention, waiting for the market to give us a clear signal before entering a trade. Now let's take it a step further with volume and the heat map. Volume tells us where the big players, institutions and banks are stepping in. The heat map shows us real-time reactions at critical levels. Here we see a high volume node indicating strong interest from participants. This gives us confidence that this level is significant. When price approaches this level, the heat map allows us to see, first, is there absorption indicating a rejection, or are there large orders stacked, showing interest at this level? This real-time feedback ensures we only take trades with the highest probability of success. Add volume and a heat map to your trading setup. Focus on high volume areas and observe how the market reacts at those levels. This will instantly improve your precision and decision making. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of trading with a high win rate and a negative risk to reward ratio. Pros: consistent wins build confidence and reduce stress. Also, scalping minimizes exposure to market volatility. And the cons: losses are larger than wins, meaning one bad trade requires several wins to recover, and it demands discipline and patience to avoid emotional trading. For example, a 70 tick loss might take 3 to 4 successful trades at 20 ticks each to recover. Now, let's talk about Daniel, a student who mastered this strategy and achieved incredible results. Daniel started like many traders, struggling to find consistency and doubting if he could succeed. But after learning how to combine candlestick analysis, volume, and the heat map, everything changed. Within 90 days, he earned more than $100,000 and maintained a 93% win rate. And this is proof that with the right strategy and discipline, anyone can achieve extraordinary results. Here's how you can replicate Daniel's success. First is master preparation. Mark key levels on your chart and use the economic calendar to stay informed. Second is combine tools. Use volume to confirm significant levels and the heat map to refine your entries. And third, execute with discipline. Wait for the market to show its hand. Don't chase trades. Let them come to you. And fourth, stick to your plan. Consistency is everything. Deviating from your strategy increases the risk of failure. $100,000 in just 3 months with a 93% win rate isn't just a dream. Yeah, it's achievable, but it requires preparation, strategy, and the discipline to execute consistently. If Daniel can do it, you can do it too. Yeah, the question is, are you ready to take the first step? If this video inspired you, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to see this. Yeah, and in the comments, let me know what's the first step you are going to take to improve your trading.